All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. I'm the Struggling Day Trader. Oh my God. Oh man, what a day, man. So I've been trading. I feel like I've gotten it. I've felt like my strategy, like I've gotten it to a really good place. I felt like that for a while now, but I just still didn't have the discipline to stop like the frivolous board trading. I was just constantly taking setups outside of my strategy. And I did the no trade day. I had a no trade day. And that did something. It helped me it helped me wait. And then I did the one trade a day thing. And that was tremendous, man. And I've been really, really trying hard to make sure that I don't watch anything unless it is in play, has a really good daily setup, volume, all that good stuff. And as I've gotten better at that, I don't know, it just seems like everything's coming together now. And it's crazy because I'm on the verge of going back to work. And so this is like my last week, my last hoorah. And Friday, I went up to $25 risk. I've been trading $1 risk and $3 risk for like the last few months. And I think it just became like the sim, where it just like it didn't carry the trades didn't carry any weight. But after the no trade day and the one trade a day thing, and like really feeling like how important each trade is, and how big of a decision it is to enter a trade. Um, that combined with the increased risk, I think is like this all the things that I needed. But had a really good day Friday at $25 risk. I think I closed with like $70. Um, almost 3R, a little under 3R. And then today I was like, just gotta go for it, man. So I went up to $50 risk today. And I had GPUS, Wolf, Tiva, and then I ended up adding AMD. Um, AMD was really the only one that almost set up. But it went up so much off the open, and then this huge rejection. I was just like fast up, fast down, and I just didn't want to mess with it. So I stayed. I was able to stay away from that one, which proved to be the right thing to do because GPUS was the one, man. And the pullback is like I was having a talk with Alex yesterday, and we were talking about how Ross talks about like I forgot the phrase he used, but some kind of like educated instinct or something. Like there's a part of it that you have to just feel. And we were talking about like, we need something like tangible, like check boxes. Like it has to be this, 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 and this, right? Not a feeling or whatever. But man, I was after it made the run, this is what's supposed to get you excited. This is supposed to get your attention. A lot of times I would be entering. I actually wanted to enter here, man. Stop under this candle, taking the high. But I told myself I'm done taking entries that are basically high of day breakouts. So I skipped this, although it would have worked out great. Yeah, I probably would have been up at 2R on this first move up, but I'm happy I was patient. I like the 420 level. Um, where did I get this 420 level from? Was it just from pre-market? And I feel like I guess it was just from pre-market. Hmm. yeah, well, we had this high candle. I feel like I had a, let me zoom out a little bit here. No, I guess not. I don't know. But I definitely had my eyes on this 420 level. And it was pulling back. And bruh, I was so nervous. My heart was beating so fast. But I was like, this is it, man. We got the big move up, all this big buying volume, the pullback. It's not moving back far. Like, this is not an aggressive pullback at all. This is nice, light profit taking, right? And the candles got real narrow right here, which is a really good sign. I like this spike in volume on this narrow range candle here. And I was like, that's it. I'm getting in. Stop under the low. And I'm taking the entry at the break of the high of this candle. And bro, I'm holding control with my finger over X. But man, that price broke. Bow. Order filled. And it went well, man. I like looking at the one because you get to like really see what's going on, you know. Yeah, so I got in down here. I told myself before the trading day I was gonna take 3/4 out at 2R, but I ended up taking a quarter out and just punked out because FOMO. But that would have been a great thing to do. I would have had more R's if I would have taken the 3/4 out. Because it pulled back to the EMA and I added on the one, which was a mistake. What saved me though is that I'm not moving my stop up on the ads anymore. If I feel there's a good reason to add, I'm just adding risk on, but I'm still keeping my stop at the level that it was when I entered the trade. I'm not moving that up until we get a higher high, higher low, and then a new high, and then I'll move it to the previous low. So I got in on the one and I realized, man, I was tripping because I got to wait for the 5 to add. And if you look on the 5, man, it gave me the perfect ad, which I added on. So this is my 1 minute ad. And then look, it pulls back to pre-market high, which is this pink dash line. Another hammer, nice volume. And so I add again. And my stop is still down here beneath this candle until we break this high. As soon as we break this high, now I can move my stop up to here. But excuse me. At this point, it's time to start taking profit. And so I'm lighting it up, man. And I remember trading like $1 risk and $3 risk and having like 5 shares or 10 shares and feeling like, man, I want more shares. Like, I really want to take advantage of, these. I want to sell. I just want to keep selling. And I just, I just wouldn't have many shares, and it would just be, I feel like I couldn't really take advantage of the move, But after this ad right here, I had 200 shares, man. Letting them off, man. Letting them off, man. And I mean, just sold it all the way up through this move up, held through the pullback. As soon as we broke this high, I'm selling again. Top tick that bad boy too, man. Top tick that bad boy. I was looking at the volume, could tell it was over. Raised my stop up. Got out, man. Oh man. And that was it, man. And I was done. No off stream trades. Just $300 off of $50 risk initially. Man, what a day, man. Oh my God. Like, I love this chart. It's like when I used to watch Trader TV live, man, and look at Sean's charts and see all those executions. And I just like, man, that's so cool. And here we are, man. But this is just day one, man. I told myself if I make 20R this week, that I'll push the job back another week. So 20R, I was like, all right, that's 5 days. That's 4R a day. And I made 6R today. So we're off to a great start. But since this is my last week, we're gonna turn it up a little bit. I think I'm going to increase my risk based on profits from previous day. So I made $300 today. I want to raise my risk to 100 tomorrow. And my max loss will be 300. So today's profit. So 3R. You know, why not? It's do or die anyway, right? So if it happens, might as well happen at $100 risk. But we'll see how it goes, man. That's all I got. Exciting times, man. We'll see how it goes, though. Appreciate all you guys' support, man. Hanging out, going through all the ups and downs with me. We'll see, man. We'll see what it is. But it feels right. It feels good. But the consistency is the thing, right? It's not just being able to have one good day. It's about good weeks and good months. So one good day in the bucket. Let's come back and do it again tomorrow, man. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the morning. Peace.